Transferring money from Afterpay to Stripe is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you are a business owner and want to accept Afterpay as a payment method on your website or application, you can integrate Afterpay with Stripe. When a customer chooses Afterpay at checkout, the full amount is immediately deposited into your Stripe account minus any fees. The customer then repays Afterpay directly in installments, and this process doesn't involve any movement of funds back and forth between Afterpay and Stripe. If you wish to receive funds directly from your customers, which is not eligible through Afterpay, you can use Stripe's platform to accept various payment methods, including traditional cards and other BNPL options besides Afterpay. For any existing or future Afterpay payments you want to utilize, consider options like if you have pending invoices to settle, explore whether your vendors accept Afterpay as a payment method. This way, you can utilize your Afterpay credit without transferring it directly to Stripe. Some regions offer Afterpay gift cards. You can purchase and then use them for online or in-store purchases where Stripe isn't available.